Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the word opposite in Arabic. The first word is baridun. Baridun. Barid. It's mean cold. The opposite word of baridun is harun. 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 Har. It's mean hot. The next word is فوق. 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 It's mean above. The opposite word of فوق is تحت. 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 It's mean under. The next word is أسود. 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 It's mean black. Its opposite word is أبيض. 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 It's mean white. The next word is مبكرا. 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 It's mean early. Its opposite word is متأخرا. 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 It's mean late. The next word is نظيف. 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 It's mean clean. Its opposite word is وسخ. 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 It's mean dirty. The next word is كبير. 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 It's mean big. The opposite word of كبير is صغير. 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 It means small. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.